Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the rim design and the net's attachment style. Remove any old net and wipe the rim. Corrosion or dirt blocks proper seating. Once done, align the net's top loops with the rim's holes or hooks so you don't fumble while attaching. Grab pliers or a small screwdriver to hold loops in place. If using zip ties, keep them nearby. This early alignment saves time and prevents stretching the net later. You thread the first loop over the nearest hook and pull it fully down until it seats on the rim. Continue sequentially around the rim, one loop per hook, so tension distributes evenly. This prevents lopsided hang. Once a loop is on, secure with a small knot or a zip tie tightened until snug but not crushing the loop. Make sure each loop sits the same depth. If a loop resists, back it off and realign before moving on to the next. You finish by walking around the rim and checking the net hangs evenly with no twisted loops. Trim zip tie tails close to the knot and smooth any sharp edges so nothing snags a ball or fingers. If a section jumps off during play, stop and reseat that loop. Often it was not fully down over the hook. As a last resort, add a tiny extra tie at that point to hold tension. This secures the net for safe, consistent play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.